How you guys doing out there today? Today we're going to be doing a review of the Seneo Essential Oil Diffuser 300 milliliter wood grain Aromatherapy cool mist ultrasonic humidifier. As you can see, it looks almost like bamboo. Very nice and smooth. You guys have to see it for yourself. It looks pretty simple and it looks pretty plain right now. But just wait till I plug it up and you see what it does. Now, like my daughter says, it looks almost like a volcano. Which is not bad. I guess she's pretty accurate and Anyway, I hope you guys find this to be interesting, by the way. And hopefully after today, if things go well, we should be actually putting up at least 4 or 5 videos a week, maybe more. So after this review, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, of course. It actually, now this is the inside of it, as you can see. It's not really very big, so it doesn't hold a lot of liquid. But, nevertheless, it is very nice, very unique. I think it makes a very good centerpiece, to be honest. You just imagine just sitting in your living room, just relaxing, with a little nice fresh air just coming out of this thing. You can add Vicks to it. You can add your favorite rub to it. You name it, you could. Just to have that nice breeze. Now let's take a look at this thing. Once you plug it in, there's actually power right here. Click on that. Give it about 15 seconds, if that much. And as you guys can see, there it is. But we're not done. Here's another little trick. Beautiful. The light is yellow. It's green. If you leave it, the light actually changes it on its own. So like I said, this piece actually has a nice little accent to it. Now I'm going to turn the lights off for a quick second so you guys can get a clear view of that. Look at that. Very sophisticated. Caught my eye and it caught my attention. And here we go. Lights back on. And you can still see it. It's very nice. I actually like this piece. Well, I hope you guys find this to be helpful. Anyone that's interested in this particular product, the link will be below. And like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have a great day.